Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to get the NFL Red Zone on the Dish Network. And it's really easy and simple guys. To watch the NFL Red Zone on a Dish Network, you first need to subscribe, okay? Subscribe to the multi-sports pack, which basically includes the NFL Red Zone on channel 155, okay? Very important. And let me give you a more detailed explanation. So NFL Red Zone is available on a Dish channel 155. Okay. Now, to get NFL Red Zone, you'll need to add the multi-sport pack to your Dish subscription. Now, the cost for this, okay, is about $5.99 a month. Okay, that is the cost, and it is available at on Sunday afternoons for games starting from 1 p.m. and up to and 4 p.m. as well. So you can also get a free preview sometimes. Dish Network offers free previews of the NFL Red Zone. And other ways, if you want to watch it, you could watch the NFL games on channels like ESPN, Fox, CBS, NBC, which have local channel numbers that vary. You can watch NFL on the NFL Network channel on 154 as well. But otherwise, it's really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.